All right, this is at some building here. And I actually have come here multiple times looking for the elevator, but I never found it because it's here in the back. Smells funky in here. It's an old automatic. Well, not that old, but it's an automatic. Probably 90s, maybe. No, I'd say like 80s, actually. Here we go. This is a creepy building in here. Well, that would be an epic motor if it wasn't ruined by that fan. Bumper. .505 Laurel, this is. Automatic. Tennis phone. What is that? All sorts of stuff. Anyway.